Have you ever felt like you're running out of time to build wealth? Like no matter how much you save, it's never enough? Here's the truth that no one tells you. You're not just losing money when you delay investing. You're losing potential freedom. Let me ask you this. Would you rather work for your money forever or let your money work for you? Most people don't even realize they're missing out on a strategy that could change everything. It's not a lottery ticket, a high-stakes gamble, or a secret business hack. It's compound interest. Mind-blowing question. Here's something to chew on. What if every dollar you save could grow into $10, $50, or even $100 over time without you lifting a finger? Sounds impossible? Stick around, because this isn't just theory. It's math, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to make it work for you starting today. The problem: most people think building wealth is about how much you make. Wrong. It's about how early you start and how consistently you grow your money. Every day you wait, you're giving up thousands or even millions over your lifetime. Example, to ground the problem. Let's break it down with Emma and Jake. Emma starts investing $200 a month at age 20 and stops after 10 years. Jake, on the other hand, waits until he's 30 and invests $400 a month for the next 30 years. Guess who ends up wealthier? Emma. Even though Jake invested way more money, Emma's early start gave her a compounding advantage. She ends up with $1.2 million, while Jake only hits $1 million. Why? Because time multiplies money in ways you can't imagine. But here's where it gets really exciting. There's a way to supercharge this effect, and it's simpler than you think. Let me show you how. 1. What is compound interest? Compound interest isn't just about earning money. It's about earning money on your money's earnings. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, or money, it grows exponentially. Example, imagine you invest $1,000 today at an 8% annual return. After 1 year, you have $1,080. But here's the kicker. In year 2, you earn interest on $1,080, not $1,000. By year 10, you've got over $2,000, and by year 30, nearly $10,000. That's the magic of compounding. 2. The rule of 72. Here's a simple trick to predict how fast your money will double. The rule of 72. Just divide 72 by your annual return rate. At 8%, your money doubles every 9 years. And if you increase that return to 12%, you're doubling every 6 years. It's a small difference that adds up to big results over time. Quick math break. How many of you are Googling, what's 72 divided by my savings account's 0.01% interest? Spoiler alert, it's over 7,000 years. Let's fix that. 3. Practical steps to start today. Step 1. Start small. Many people think you need thousands to invest. False. With apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash, you can start with as little as $5. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you start, the bigger it'll grow. Step 2. Automate your investments. Set it and forget it. Automation ensures you never miss a contribution, even if you're busy. Schedule $50, $100, or whatever you can afford into your investments every month. It's like having a personal money assistant. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to long-term success. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across stocks, bonds, ETFs, or even real estate. Think of it as building a financial safety net. Reinvest your earnings. Never cash out too early. Reinvest every dollar your investments earn. That's how you multiply your returns over time. But here's a mistake that can derail your efforts entirely. Let's talk about what not to do. Avoiding pitfalls. Compound interest is powerful, but it requires patience. The biggest mistake? Pulling out your investments too soon. Compound interest is a marathon, not a sprint. The longer you stay invested, the greater your returns. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a vote for your financial freedom tomorrow. And if you're ready to take your wealth-building strategy to the next level, check out my video on advanced passive income ideas, because there's no limit to what you can achieve with the right mindset and tools.